I'm Olivia Roumain, Senior International Education Manager for Revision Skincare.
This is my AM skincare routine.
So I start off each morning cleansing with the brightening facial wash. What I love about it though, it keeps my skin nice and bright, even tone. I feel like it helps the texture of my skin.
Use a dime-size amount, lather in the hands, use your fingertips to massage gently in circular motions, avoiding the eye area, rinse thoroughly, and pat the skin dry.
As Revision Skincare products are made to be used synergistically. I'm going to apply 1 pump of the hydrating serum, 1 pump of one of my favorite products, which is the C+ Correcting Complex 30%. If you have not tried this, it truly is a game changer. It helps to keep my skin even toned, protected, but also nice and bright and clear. And then Revox Line Relaxer, one of our newest innovations.
Mix the products and apply directly to the skin.
My eye cream, I use the DEJ eye cream. Great for anyone that has that eyelid hooding or droopiness, like multiple concerns on the eye. This is fantastic. Just apply around the eye like this, even the lid.
Then repeat onto the other eye.
And now I'm going to put on my IntelliShade True Physical.
Apply the product evenly in small sections until it's blended thoroughly.
There you have it. That is my morning routine. Thanks for watching.